I be old broke. Look on Rosalie. Rosalie have no. I be old broke. Rosalie have. Rosalie have nothing at all. Rosalie don't have nothing. I be old broke. Rosalie have here. Rosalie have no. All Rosalie just go around and prank people to get money. Ah, should the dirty girl do? Go around and prank people. Go around and prank people that suck good girl them. Prank people that suck good girl them. All the suck good girls go around and prank people.
Where you going? But that area good. No, still not area. Yeah, come up back now. Not area there. You sure you not cover the speaker?
Me just the blood chain. Them plastic chain are good enough. Me just the blood plastic chain. Them blood plastic chain are good enough. Yeah, hear me now?
Yeah, me area now.
Rosalie, nobody now give. What can you do? Nobody now give Rosalie. Rosalie have one man with the name Tatiana upon his life. I bring me down, you know.
When last night?
No, see the little one and them get bad.
I lie.
Yeah, then they be going body sell pussy girl named Regina Fashion. But like all of us called boss lady, we so cocky like a dog and catch me like a dog. I take said Pammy, but we go back Panama already have a dollar.
Lord God. Focus for, they're better focus for your music career. You're not gonna make them dry out too much.
Rosalie, not Rosalie, nobody now give Rosalie fall of a TikTok. Not now one for Rosalie. Not now one. Ask the bank. We can't say me a post kitten. We can't say me a post kitten. We not depend on a blood clot on a post kitten. If you go on my life, I'm not tell you that not trouble me a blood clot.
Yeah.
Not trouble me. She depend lady name and lady name. Big thing Rosalie can't shut. Remember Rosalie to sell pussy, you know. Rosalie to sell pussy for 500 out of war theater. When she's done, tell the penis and when penis. Tell her. And then she used to walk up with the gay boy, the man go out board what beg. Rosalie want to beg puppy. Rosalie want to beg puppy.
When they take the war done.
Rosalie, don't worry, not down the war. This is starting to come now. But I'm afraid of the girl on the boy. I'm afraid of them.
Bad ya bad. Yes.
I'm afraid of them. Your company left. Then Tatiana tell me, Rosalie, don't argue me no. Yeah, I'm a man, where you call Arvin at this far? Where you call the man at this far? Where you call the man at this far? I saw a lot of mix up and too much problem.
Yeah.
She knows me and Tatiana don't talk. She call the man, you know. She call the man like how Bartley do. Bartley want hype and follower forget. So she not now go Bartley close them. So Bartley come and TikTok now to get some hype and some clout. So me not go
clout. Some 2 minutes away from some people come pick me up for go up on the road. Them there, so that's why I have to come out a little bit. Here? Hold on.
Yeah. What about the over me name on the social media for? She not get no far, she not get no gift, she not get nothing. Nobody not give battle nothing. We are going around with I show like a big titty, them and a big front. Leave me alone, battle lady. Them have a class and bring it down. Oh, leave me alone. Leave him alone. When I come on TikTok, I make private people for really big stinky Rosalie. Rosalie no body. Rosalie no body. Rosalie a dead dog. Rosalie is a dead puppy. Rosalie to catch on a town or a theater.
Eric wants you.
Rosalie, Miss Friend, Rosalie, I take set for me. This one is going to come on TikTok. I take set for me.
Don't pay them no mind. I tell you already. Stop pay them mind.
For clothes, we don't know clothes. I mean, I'm money we got put on our look at a church store. We can't go to a church store.
Who say you not no clothes?
And my friend tells me, what you think you know? I mean, I found out you think you put it was
Yeah, the same man of clothes and say she have to get Derek clothes. So boss
give him
lady
clothes?
said that.
Who say so?
Boss lady say she have to get Derek clothes.
Derek, them a look clothes.
How come you let the pussy girl look? Back like a big clothes, the rank pussy boss lady.
Derek, don't pay attention to the comment. Who I said, are you always a trouble rose?
You're too show you the video to Rosalie. You put that in the house, well, I'm in a tight bowl. I just the Rosalie de pan live à côté plus d'un money. Just the Rosalie de pan live à côté plus d'un money. Should people not give and so and people them put it out. And then this Rosalie always like class plus d'un money and I put a Rosalie to the rent then down. But I like Rosalie.
Your connection I go in and out, Derek. That freeze sometime.
Derek. Derek, that woman, the panito named Boss Lady. She looks so disgusting. Come over here and say you know nothing to do. See her there? She the up top. She named Boss Lady. And if you look on her, she bleach out and she look cranny. She sick stomach.
I saw she saw come over this so good girl, come over this blood clot, come over this dead dog.
She just sick stomach. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. People in my class, sir.
She a bleach and the bleaching burn her up.
That no.
Where you come from?
Big up to the Americans on the live. Happy Thanksgiving to you all. I want to support Derek.
May I make some gifts and rain. May I make some flowers or donut?
You set a live goal?
Yeah, we set up. We set a live. We put 10 donuts up there.
Wanna run out and support
I run, them I try to run Derek off of the app, you know, I get
them. Can't do Derek not up on TikTok, everybody I go bored.
They can't do it. Nobody.
TikTok can't do without Derek. You crazy?
Nobody can take me for this. I don't feel them something.
And Derek I king over this. Whether them want like it or not.
Yeah,
The good, the bad, and the indifference use Derek Vice over this. Enough girl when them stress out and bored that Derek make them laugh. Them
Yeah.
can't get rid of Derek over here, so.
That's why them a fight him so much because them a try to get him from over here.
Hi.
Terry Wagwan, Terry, big up with the next person I box. Derek
Big up
Wagwan.
yourself. Big up, big up.
Hey, I hear a Terry, you know? I hear a Terry with Derek. Me I tell them say Terry are original.
Code,
I like
code.
Terry. I like Terry.
A real thing, man, a code.
I hear a Terry with Derek. Years.
Oh, man.
Terry never sell out yet.
One Derek Morgan over this.
One Betsy.
Yeah.
I said Terry was like teach me the part that Terry.
Busy.
What is your cash app? There.
I two
You never
man, I
know
two
Terry?
more while we busy, you know?
Mr. Terry, from your start, use the word bestie. Are you my teeth that started from, you know?
Yeah, man, I'm
Everything
Bessie,
going
man. One Bessie.
Put that lady, you know.
Derek did do one video,
So
said,
what-
"No no blood clot Bessie round here. No Bessie round here." Yeah, man, I Bessie this. Eh?
Right, the cash app, let's just you want the cash app. I'm going to see what you see.
Alright, I'm gonna put-
For that, you know. Bubble. Bubble.
Hope you can see
Oh,
this dollar
yeah, they are
sign.
fine. I make breakfast, uncle.
I'm going to leave.
What you-
Why, honey? Did something happen?
When them run out of content, them have to call your name Bessie. One Derek Morgan over this.
See the cash out there.
Them want to take you as a punching bag of one Derek
Tim
over
see the
this.
cash out there.
Can leave right away.
You can't. If you're too shabby, you can't message.
The cash app is in the comment. Dollar sign Carl Cross 1980.
Sister Sheila send you a
Pick up
$20.
yourself,
there.
Julie. Much appreciated.
Julian Simpson.
Derek, me I go send you one video. Cause I go one seminar the other day up at UE. And the pitney them I use your sound.
Torian, big up Torian.
Big up Torian.